can check out this TikTok channel. It posts quiz videos and gets millions of views. The follower count is crazy too. There's a YouTube channel doing the same thing, pulling in millions of views just by posting quiz content. Trust me, these channels are making hundreds of dollars every month, maybe even more. A lot of freelancers are doing this too. They make quiz videos for clients and earn good money from it. The best part? It's super easy to create these videos. Just follow one simple tutorial, and you'll be able to make them yourself in no time. You've got 2 ways to make these quiz videos. First option, use AI tools. They're fast. You can make a video in minutes, but they cost money, so it's only worth it if you're serious about scaling up. Second option, do it manually for free. It takes about 30 minutes to make your first video, but once you get the hang of it, the next ones will be way faster. In this video, we'll only cover the manual and free method. Now, let's begin the process. To create this type of video, the first step is to prepare the script. To generate the script, you can use this exact prompt in ChatGPT or DeepSeek. I'll be using DeepSeek here as an example. Here's how it works. Copy and paste the prompt into DeepSeek. Customize it based on your needs. For example, if you want 10 multiple choice questions, replace the number in the prompt with 10. At the end of the prompt, specify your topic, for example, history, countries, wars, etc. Since I want countries and their capitals, I'll add that. Click Generate, and you'll see DeepSeek creates a full 10-question MCQ script instantly. Now, we need to generate a voiceover for this script. You can use any AI voiceover tool for this. I'm currently using 11 Labs. Here's how it works. Copy the script you just generated. You'll notice I've added an engaging opening line and closing line while keeping the main quiz content unchanged. Paste it into 11 Labs. Select your preferred AI voice. I'm using Adam for this example. Click Generate and your voiceover will be ready in seconds. Listen carefully to the final output, and if everything sounds good, simply download the voiceover file. Now we'll create this element in Canva. You can see the numbered answers in the video reference. We'll make the exact same thing. First, take a screenshot using the snipping tool and save it. Drag and drop this screenshot into Canva so we can match our design perfectly. In Canva, add a square shape with rounded corners. Adjust the shape to match the video version. Reduce the transparency slightly. Now add numbers 1 through 10 inside the shape. Match each number's color precisely to the reference using Canva's color picker tool. Finally, tweak the corners if needed, then download the element as a transparent PNG. All right, we'll need some background stock videos for this. You can easily find and use them directly from Canva. Go to Canva's search bar and type any relevant keyword, like geography. Apply the vertical filter to get portrait-style videos. Pick 6 to 8 good-looking clips, each around 1 minute long. Download them all. These will be perfect for your background. Now we'll edit this video using CapCut. First, drag and drop all your materials into CapCut. Add the voiceover file to the timeline as well. After adding, we need to remove unnecessary gaps in the voiceover. Doing this manually takes time, so here's a faster way. Click the arrow drop-down menu on the left side. Select the splitting tool. You can also press the B key on your keyboard to activate it. Highlight and remove all gaps one by one. Once gaps are removed, merge all voiceover segments, but wait. Before merging, we need to add a clock-ticking sound effect between each question and answer. This creates a 5-second pause, giving viewers time to guess the answer. Add this effect between every question-answer pair before merging the rest. Now, add the background stock videos to match the full length of the voiceover. All right, now we'll add the numbering image to the video from beginning to end. Next, we need to add the video topic at the top. Choose a font like Poppins Bold, and add a background color to make the caption stand out. Now let's generate captions for the voiceover. Since most captions require CapCut Pro, you can use the free version's available caption templates. After generating, some captions may not sync perfectly with the audio, so you'll need to adjust them manually. For example, if question 1 appears as 1 line, press Enter to split it into 2 lines for better readability. Fix other captions the same way. Now, we need to show each question's difficulty level. For example, easy, medium, or hard. First, add default text and type easy, using Poppins bold font with white stroke and green color. Make 2 duplicates of this. Change one to medium, dark yellow color, and the other to hard in red color. Place them according to the script. Show easy for question 1, medium for questions 2 through 9, and hard for question 10. For the answer options, ABC, duplicate the easy text template, change the color to yellow, and paste the options from the script. Show these options along with the difficulty level when the clock ticking sound starts. And make them disappear when the answer appears. Finally, we'll reveal correct answers on the numbered image. Show each answer number after its clock ticking sound ends, and keep the answer visible until the video ends. For the last steps, trim any elements that extend beyond the video duration. Then your video is ready to export.
If you nail all 10, you're not just smart, you're a geography genius. Question 1. What is the capital of France? Paris. Question 2. Which city is the capital of Japan? Tokyo. Question 3. What is the capital of Brazil? Brasilia. Question 4. Which city serves as the capital of Canada? Ottawa. Question 5. What is the capital of South Africa? Pretoria. Think you're acing it so far? Like and share this video to challenge your friends. Question 6. Which city is the capital of Australia? Canberra. Question 7. What is the capital of Argentina? Buenos Aires. Question 8. Which city is the capital of Egypt? Cairo. Question 9. What is the capital of New Zealand? Wellington. Question 10. Which city is the capital of Switzerland? Bern. Great job. If you got all 10 right, you're basically a walking atlas. Share your score and challenge your friends to beat it.